Let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot.
Win a game, win a game, win a game, win a game.
Oh. That's how you do it?
Win a game.
Hey, what's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Queen Beast back with another video for you, and you. And today we got ourselves a hot Cheeto seafood boil spin the wheel sauce version. Layla, you want to tell them what kind of sauces we have here?
Yeah.
Go ahead, tell them what sauces we got.
We have barbecue sauce.
Yes.
We have sauce.
Bruh.
Butter sauce.
And sauce. We have cheese sauce and chocolate sauce.
We also have some corn, some potatoes, some sausages, king crab, and Layla got some strawberries like usual. Make sure you guys check the description for the Codis water bottle and get you one, right, Layla?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
So before we get started into the video, if you haven't done so already, check that subscribe button. If it is red, you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Click that little bell next to it to all so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos, right, Layla?
Mm-hmm.
And we also do our shout outs at the end of each video. Post notification, right? Yeah. Layla hasn't never had king crab hot Cheeto. Actually, she never had any hot Cheeto of any of these things. So last time we did this challenge with Layla,
Look,
it was hectic.
But guys, look.
Yeah, show them the king crab, y'all. Look at mine's just kind of falling apart a little bit, but look at that. Look at
But
that.
not mine.
Yours not?
No. Is this getting off a little bit?
Yeah. So what we're gonna do first before we get into the spin the wheel, we're gonna eat first a little bit. We're gonna take a bite of each thing here, and then we're gonna start our spin the wheel, right, Layla? Layla, you ready to get lost in the sauce? She's ready to get lost in this chocolate sauce.
Lost in the sauce and I can't find my way back.
I like chocolate.
All right, guys, so let's get started. You could go ahead and eat. That's the sausage right there, the hot Cheeto sausage. You want to try it? Go ahead.
I want to eat first.
Go ahead. You go ahead. You take the first bite.
Mm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah, but
Show them it. Look at that hot Cheeto sausage, y'all.
Oh.
I'm gonna try mine. You're good. Mmm. This right here, I didn't expect it to taste good. But this is bussin', Layla. This is bussin'.
okay.
Okay. As you guys can see, Layla's grubbing on this and she's killing it because she loves hot Cheetos. She don't have it often, but she does love hot Cheetos. So when she see me doing this, she was like, "Mommy, I want to do it with you." So it tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that definitely tastes good. That tastes good. I'm gonna try these potatoes because I never actually tried hot Cheeto potatoes, but I think it tastes good. I think it tastes good. It probably tastes like a fries with
Just eat it.
hot Cheetos.
Just eat it.
Just eat it? It's taking too long? I'm doing too much?
Yeah, eat it. Look, it's right over here. It's right over here.
Guys, I don't know. I might just skip the whole challenge now because this ain't good. Ooh. It's good, right? Yo, this is good. You know what would be good too? The potatoes in this. This is really good, y'all.
Wait, what is that?
This is the sausage. Let me make sure you have another one. Here's a potato one.
A potato?
Mm-hmm. It's really good. It tastes like fries with hot Cheetos on it.
Mommy's trying to taste
Yeah,
it.
try it.
I'm just trying to taste it with the chocolate.
Okay. You like it? Is it good? This is the potatoes. This is the sausage, y'all. So Layla likes her food.
Wait, let me sit down. Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah, Layla likes her food with chocolate. I'm gonna dip it in this butter sauce because that thing look bussin'. I'm so excited, y'all. This is so good, y'all. Look at this.
Mm.
Mmm.
Nope.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hey. We gotta do a wiggle dance. You wanna do it?
Denied.
That was good. She's licking her fingers. That won't happen. How was it? Good? Ooh, you made me want to try it. Let me try it. I had hot Cheetos before. Thumbs up. Right?
I actually need water.
You actually need water? You want to try the corn?
Nope.
I don't think she's going to try the corn, but I'm going to try the corn. It's hot Cheeto corn, baby. Taste it.
Nope.
Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it.
No.
Taste it. Taste it. Mmm.
What, Mommy?
Mmm.
I don't even like it.
You used to like corn. What happened? Why don't you like corn anymore? Mmm. This is good, little. You're missing out. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I'm not gonna lie to you, Layla, but you need to try this.
Guys, do you like my hair?
Let her know in the comment section if you like her hair.
It's actually good when I have this hair because it's so really beautiful. But I like it so much. I just like it.
You like it a lot?
Yeah.
You happy that I did your hair like that?
Yeah.
Really?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. So she wants to prank her brother and her dad.
Yeah, because
You have a plan?
I got a plan.
Okay. Fist bump. Fist bump. We're gonna do that. So yeah, make sure y'all check the family channel because it's about to go down, right? All right, Layla.
Guys, you know you're naughty. Don't tell Daddy this.
Don't tell them. So, similar like last time, but this time I made it a bit easier. I have only 4 sauces. So you actually have 2 chances on the spin the wheel to actually land. This one is other person picks
One is the Swiss.
barbecue, BBQ.
And this one is
It's cheese. Oh, y'all can't see it.
and this one's
Butter,
butter,
chocolate,
chocolate,
butter, cheese, barbecue. Barbecue.
barbecue.
All right.
With barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue.
You like cheese? You like cheese, right?
Baby, try.
Let me try.
I just want to try this cheese.
Blow it first. Blow it. Blow it.
Okay.
It's hot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gotta blow it.
Wait.
Okay.
Is it a napkin?
Layla became a mukbanger. She got cheese on the side of her face.
But there's no more.
Yeah, I wiped it off. You good.
Okay, it's not hot anymore.
Okay, go ahead.
Mm.
It's good?
Mhm.
Yay! Layla like king crab. sauce. Good. All right, so you ready for this challenge?
Yeah.
You sure? All right, guys, so we're gonna get started into this challenge. So let's play rock, paper, scissors to see who spins first. Do you think you're gonna win? You think you're gonna win?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna win, y'all.
No.
Hashtag in the comment section, Team Queen Bees.
No. Team Layla.
Queen.
No. Layla.
Queen.
Layla. You said rock, paper, scissors, soup.
Are you cheating?
No. Promise.
Promise.
Yeah.
Okay, so Layla won that round. Now she gets to spin first.
You see,
Are you ready?
You see, I can get chocolate or butter sauce or
5 hours later.
actually some
Cheese?
or switch.
Switch?
Switch.
Okay, let's see. What is it on?
You see.
Butter sauce!
No, I don't like it.
Just like wrong.
I don't like it.
I love you.
I don't like it.
Layla, y'all already know how Layla feels about butter sauce. You hate butter sauce, huh?
Like it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My turn. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, go.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
go.
Butter sauce!
Like me.
Okay, Layla, the butter sauce is not spicy, okay?
No,
It's not. You got just a little dip. Just a little dip. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like this. Like that. See? All right, go ahead. No, that's barbecue. You got butter. Just like this. Just go like that.
I got butter.
Yeah, you got butter sauce.
Wait,
We
here?
both got butter sauce. This is the
here?
butter sauce. Yeah. Go ahead.
Like that?
Yeah, just a little bit. How is it?
But it's a little bit more different. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Mhm.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that beautiful thing. Dripping. This sauce dripping. I had to dip it. I had to dip it. So bite it is.
We still have a nice try.
Mm.
Mommy, we still have a nice try. I'm gonna do it again.
You gonna do it again? Go ahead.
Do it like that.
Yay! Look at you! Look at you!
It's not too bad.
It's not so bad.
Mm-mm.
I told you. I guess the hot Cheeto is really having Layla try this more. Wow. Okay. Layla was hungry today, y'all. All right. Round 2. We ready to rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, I hope I win. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, soup.
Yeah! You pick rock again. Now it's my turn to go first.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Boom, boom, boom.
What you got?
Barbecue sauce.
Right
Out of
here.
all the sauce, actually no, I don't want chocolate sauce. So barbecue sauce is not that bad with sausages. So Layla, you spin so you can figure out what sauce you're getting. I'm not gonna lie to you, Layla.
I'm just gonna think what am I bring things. I know.
You know, what did you think?
I'm not gonna tell you what I'm just thinking.
You're not gonna tell me. I'm not gonna lie to you, Layla, but you gotta tell me.
Wait, what?
What is that one? That one is cheese sauce. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Cheese
not
sauce
that
and
bad.
sausages is not bad.
It's not not that bad.
So I got barbecue and Layla got cheese. So go ahead and dip in your cheese, and I'm gonna dip in my barbecue.
Thank
Barbecue.
you. Wow, cool,
I don't know how this gonna taste though.
that never tastes bad.
Not bad. It's not bad.
I don't want to taste it anyways. I don't like it.
You don't like barbecue? I know. Guys, Hot Cheetos right now is winning. Because so far, everything tastes good. Round 3.
I said 2, not 3.
That's not 3. That's Layla. That's 4. You gotta put this one down. This one gotta go down. There you go. No. There you go. Stay down. Stay down.
It's not gonna stay down.
Stay down. Stay down. There you go. Let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Win a game, win a game, win a game, win a game.
Oh. That's how you do it?
Win a game.
What the?
Yo, I'm a boomer right now.
Win a game, 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 win a
That's how you do it?
game, win a game.
She's trying to do that TikTok dance, renegade.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors.
You're cheating! No! No, you're cheating!
Not
She's cheating.
Okay, do it again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Stop it.
Alright.
You did that first and then
4-year-old cooties.
No.
Why are you grabbing it like you're about to drink it? Really? Now what if I need a dip in that? All your germs is in it now.
What do you mean, no germs?
Anyways. Hello, I'm first.
Okay. No.
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 Be careful before you drop the food like last time. Okay, guys. Which round this is?
1, 3.
Round 4. Round 4.
Psych!
I said.
I think so.
Just do it like this. Just do it like this, okay?
Like this? A L? I'm not taking the L. You taking the L.
No, I'm not gonna see you.
Oh! Almost
okay.
cheese sauce. I got butter sauce. Your turn.
But it's not okay. Okay, me time. I hope I get chocolate sauce. That's thin, right?
Yeah, really good spin. Layla is growing up. Other person chooses. I choose for you. Potatoes. What do I want Layla to eat with her potatoes? What should I pick? I think I'm gonna be nice and give you what you want. Or maybe barbecue.
No, I don't like barbecue. I don't
Butter
want.
sauce.
No, I don't want barbecue. No, I want.
Barbecue.
No, I don't want.
I'm gonna get this one
No,
for
I don't like it. I don't like
Layla.
Chocolate. I like chocolate anyways.
Layla, that is so nasty, but okay. What was mine again? Mine was butter sauce, so that's good. So go ahead and dip yours in your chocolate because that is something to see.
Okay, now I'm trying to eat it. Did you?
It's
good. It's good. I'm telling you, it's good.
I don't believe you. That looks so nasty, Layla. Now my turn with the butter. We got butter sauce right here.
That looks nasty.
Oh,
It's nasty, none.
Hello.
Nasty, man.
That's
Nasty.
good.
No. You get that. Yum. No.
Let me try your nasty self with the
No.
chocolate.
That's not nasty. That's not nasty, Mom.
I'm gonna try it. Ooh.
It's not nasty, Mommy. It's not nasty. Why try it? It's so good.
Layla, if I get a tummy ache, you're gonna have to take care of me. You ready to do that?
Just eat it. Just eat it, okay?
You ready to take care of me?
Just eat it, okay? You're not gonna have a tummy ache. You're not having a tummy ache, mommy.
Weirdly, it's not bad.
I told you.
It's not bad.
I told you, mommy. I told you. I told you it's not bad.
Okay. Okay.
Next one.
I think I'm gonna have a side of chocolate sauce in every mukbang just so she could eat.
Round 4.
Round 4?
Yeah.
So we're on round 4 now. Are you ready for this round 4?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Let's find out. Rock, paper, scissors.
Wait, mommy, you like this in the couch?
Yeah, you haven't. That's nice.
Look, guys.
Look at her cat.
And the letters.
Yeah, and she got nice sparkling letters, right?
Yeah, it's so cute. I love it.
Round 4. You ready for this? Rock,
Rock,
paper, scissors.
Two.
I actually wasn't ready.
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Ha.
Layla won this round on the rock, paper, scissors. So, Miss Layla, you get to spin first.
Okay.
Spin that thing, Layla. Spin
I'm
it.
just gonna do it like this. Little tiny, but I'm a little bit clumsy.
Clumsy?
Yeah.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
That was tiny. That was a nice spin.
What?
That was a nice spin.
3, 2, 1.
Butter sauce!
Oh, I don't like it.
Butter sauce in your corn.
Wait, is this butter sauce?
Yep.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, so now my turn. Can I spin now?
Okay.
Can I? Okay.
See? Chocolate sauce!
Ew! I don't want it. I don't want it.
You have to do it. You have to do it. You got it. Just do it. Please, just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
And corn and hot Cheetos. Layla, I think I'm gonna get a tummy ache. You gonna take care of me if I get a tummy ache?
You're not gonna get a tummy ache.
Are you gonna take care of me?
You're not gonna get a tummy ache.
But if I do,
Mommy.
you gonna take care of me?
You're not gonna get
But
a
if I do,
tummy
you gonna
ache.
take care of me?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
Okay. She gonna take care of me if I get a tummy ache, y'all.
Just please don't let mommy get a tummy ache. I don't want mommy to get a tummy ache.
Okay, let's see. Layla's very worried about me. If I'm sick, she's very worried.
Let me put it, wait. Let me put it.
I don't like it.
Let me put it. Let me wait. Hold it so you can do it. You're not gonna get a tummy ache. Mommy.
What am I showing you guys? Like, this is some type of yummy food. Ew, y'all don't want to see this.
Just do a little bit.
Okay, I'm doing a little bit. A little bit. A little bit.
Trying to eat it.
Look it. You would.
Yes,
She
I
would.
Yes, I would.
I know you would.
Trying to eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, nasty.
Do you got a tummy ache?
Oh, I have to swallow it? Oh my god, y'all don't want to do this. I have to swallow it? I have to swallow this?
No. This.
So go ahead. Dip that corn in that butter sauce.
Maybe try to put it like this.
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Yeah. Now, go ahead, take a
Is
bite.
that the whole one?
Yeah. So you don't spill it on yourself. Go ahead, take a bite. Do you like it?
Yes, I got my fish. Oh, yeah.
Was it good? Yay! Ding, ding, ding!
Spicy.
It's spicy? Oh, it's probably the mixture now. The combination of the hot Cheetos and this. And the hot Cheetos kind of melted on here. So it's probably started. It's spicy. So we're done with the challenge.
More.
You want to eat more?
Yeah.
You want to do the challenge or you want to eat more? You could just eat more. Right?
I want to eat more than you too.
Okay, so she wanted me to eat more. She said I haven't ate enough. Okay, Layla, let's see. I already ate a corn. I lost my appetite because of that chocolate.
I'm gonna get another corn because I'm gonna put a little bit on there.
You can use. Oh, you don't want to use this one?
No, because I have a lot. I put it like this.
Like that?
Yeah. Do which one?
Yay! Layla rejuvenated herself, regained herself from the last time.
So good. So
Because
good.
last time, this challenge was hectic, y'all. Very hectic. That's good? You got hot Cheeto lipstick now. Look. Okay. You good? You good? That was good. Bye bye. You want barbecue sauce? You want barbecue sauce? You want barbecue sauce? Okay, and your crab. Strawberry and crab. Right? And I'm gonna have this crab right here. Ooh, baby. Dip that thing in the sauce.
Mommy, my lips is burning.
Your lips is burning?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta wipe it off. Wipe it off.
No, yeah, Mommy, put it to like this. Wipe down, wipe
I knew you was gonna say that.
down, wipe.
Okay. So we have this border sauce. So let me just let it sit there, right, just for a little bit. Just let it soak. Just let it soak. Now look at that. Look at that. Look at that. No.
Oh my God. No, your hands.
Ooh, look at that. Look good.
It's dropping. Is it spicy?
Not really.
No.
You done now? Layla's done.
I'm gonna drink a little bit more.
You gonna drink a little bit, Rhoda? We about to end this video, y'all.
I'm not gonna do
So she don't want to do the outro with me, so I'm gonna do it by myself. For the past 30 minutes, I've been trying to do this outro. This concludes the end of the video. Today's post notification shout out is gonna go out to this individual. Thank you so much for subscribing, clicking that post notification, and being one of the first few to comment once I post a video. I don't know why this cat is keep licking me. You turn into the cat like your shirt. Layla, stop. That's weird. Stop. Ew. That's not what you do. You're supposed to do this. Alright, so today's post notification shout out is gonna go out to this I already said it. Well, you get a double one. How about that? Shout out to both of you guys. But we're gonna end the video. So we're always gonna leave you guys with
You love your puppy people. Peace.
peace out, y'all.